Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create multiple Gmail account or unlimited Gmail account in a very easy way. First, I open a new tab. For example, sign in with this Gmail account. Now I signed in with Gmail account. Just search for Gmail generator. Okay, this one. I put the link in the description. Click it. Now just insert your Gmail. My Gmail is this one. Insert this Gmail account. SSSE 732 just generate. You see it directly generate 256 Gmail account. You can copy and save them. For example, I check this one, control copy. Here I want to create a Facebook account. Just put it here. Okay, and create a password for yourself. For example, just sign up. Okay, yes, login code comes to the main Gmail account. Just send login. Okay, now come to here, see the main Gmail account here. Okay, you see your Facebook confirmation code. Just click this one, just copy the code, Control C, come back to here, insert the code. Next. That's the way to generate multiple and unlimited Gmail account in a very easy way. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment. Have a nice day.